Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet scissor hair clip, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please will you subscribe and share and like this video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use Rico Essential Crochet yarn and hook number 3mm as shown now. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make 7 chains. Then close with slip stitch to make a ring. Then make a chain and make 13 single crochet stitches into the ring. Then close with slip stitch. Then start round 2. I will make 13 chains as shown now. And turn, then work into the third loops as shown now. I will skip the first chain and make single crochet into the second. Then make half double crochet into the next 3 stitches. Then make double crochet into the next 7 stitches as shown now. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will skip the first stitch into the round circle as shown now. Then make slip stitch into the next stitch and make slip stitch into every stitch across the row and the opposite side too of that first part of the scissors as shown now. Then cut our yarn and fasten off. And make another part of that crochet scissors. Then I will use the blue yarn and make a magic ring as shown now. Then make 6 single crochet stitches into the magic ring and close with slip stitches. Then leave a long tail, then cut our yarn and fasten off. I made another unit of that second part of the scissor as shown now. Then I will join them together to make the scissor. I will join them together with the blue ring by the tapestry needle as shown now. Then I will use the hair clip, metal hair clip and glue. Then I will join the metal hair clip and the crochet scissors together by the glue as shown now. Now I finished that crochet scissor hair clip and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.